that right now, at this very moment, your brain is being rewired without your permission. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to reveal something that happened to all of us. A silent transformation so powerful that the Oxford University made their word of the year in 2024. They call it the brain rot. But here is what they are not telling you. It's not just affecting how you think, it's changing who you are. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what's happening inside your brain, why even the smartest people are falling victim to it, and the shocking results that show it might already be too late for some of us. But I will also show you the 3-step protocol the neuroscientists are using to not just stop it, but reverse it entirely. And trust me, the 3-step is something nobody is talking about, and it's the key to talk back control of your mind. Now let me ask you something. When was your last time finishing reading a book in one sitting? Had a deep conversation without checking your phone? Feel completely present in this moment. If you are starting to remember, you are not alone. In fact, a recent study from Harvard found that the average people touching their phone 2,617 times per day. That's once every 33 seconds. But here's a truly mind-blowing part. Our brains were never designed for this reality. For our 300,000 years, the human brain evolved with one primary goal: the survival. Our ancient ancestors need laser-sharp focus to track the prey across vast landscape. Remember which plants were poisonous. Also, navigate the complex social hierarchies. And the brain reward system primarily driven by a neurotransmitter called dopamine evolved to help us to do exactly that. See something like important, the dopamine spikes. Finding a food, dopamine spikes. Avoid danger, the dopamine spikes. This system worked perfectly until we created a world it wasn't designed for us. Now, instead of using our focus to hunt for food or avoid predators, we are hunting for the perfect Instagram caption, the next viral TikTok, the next newest YouTube trend. And your primitive brain cells can't tell the difference. To your ancient neurochemistry, that the notification is important as spotting a predator, that the light feels as good as finding a food. The viral video gives you the same dopamine hit as solving a life or death problem. And it's this the evolutionary mismatch that creating what scientists are now calling the digital brain rot. In 2023, a landmark study at Stanford University used fMRI technology to scan the brain heavy social media users. What they're finding was shocking. The prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision making, impulse control, and the complex thinking, actually show reduced activity patterns, those seen in patients with attention deficit disorders. But that's not all. They discovered that after just 30 minutes of scrolling through a short form content, particularly showed 47% reduction in sustained attention capabilities, and 38% decrease in working memory function, and 28% increase in impulsive decision making. Now, I know what you are thinking. That won't happen to me. I'm different. That's exactly what I thought too, until I realized I couldn't finish the script without checking my phone 17 times. This isn't just about the productivity or focus. This is about the fundamental who we are as humans. The Oxford University didn't choose the brain rot as their word of year for nothing. The researchers had identified the clear symptoms that indicate the brain might be affected. Difficulty concentration, starting something and forgetting what you were doing 30 seconds later. Feeling overwhelmed while challenging you used to handle easily. Spending 20 minutes deciding what to watch on Netflix but can't decide on important life choices. Walking into memory and forgetting why you are there. The feeling of being not yet present in your life. Your mind constantly gravitating towards the worst case scenarios. and feeling physically uncomfortable when separated from your phones. Do any of these sound familiar? If you are nodding your head right now, you are experiencing exactly what millions of others are: a fundamental rewriting of your brain architecture. Your brain operates on a principle called neuroplasticity. Its ability to recognize for a new neural connection. And this is how we learn new skills, form a habit, and adapt to our environment. The problem neuroplasticity was both ways. Each time you switch task to check a notification, jump between apps looking for dopamine, consume the fragmented bit-sized content, you literally training your brain to prefer distracted over deep focus. A groundbreaking 2024 study found that it takes just 21 days of heavy social media use to physically alter the neural pathways in your prefrontal cortex. That means the 3 weeks of TikTok beings can literally change your brain physical structure. And the most important terrifying part, this rewrite happens whether you realize it or not. It's a silent hijacking of your most precious cognitive resources. The teachers across the country report students unable to read for more than 5 minutes without becoming visibly distracted. The employers describe the new graduates who can't complete the complex task without constant supervision and feedback. The relationship therapists notice sons in couple who can't maintain meaningful conversation without reaching for their phones. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and it's not just affecting how we think. It's changing how we live, how we connect, and who we become. The human qualities we value most, empathy, creative, critical thinking, are the exact qualities we eroded by a digital brain growth. But now for the good news. Remember that the neuroplasticity, we talked about it. It works both ways. Just as your brain can be rewired for distraction, it can be rewired for focus, depth, and genius connections. Based on the latest neuroscience research, I have developed a 3-phase protocol designed to reverse digital brain growth. First, the digital detox, the 3-33 method. The 3 hours after wake up, 30 minutes before bed, and 3 full hours during your peak productivity must be completely phone free. The places physical barriers between you and device. Keep your phone in another room while working. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Ask yourself, would I interrupt a deep conversation for this? Second, the cognitive rebuilding. Starting with just 5 minutes of uninterrupted reading or deep work, add 1 minute every day until you reach 50 minutes. Choose one activity, cooking, walking, or even showering, and do it with a complete presence. No podcast, no music, no distractions. Just do the work. For 1 full day each month, eliminate all artificial dopamines, sources like the social media, streaming service, and even caffeines. Enter the neural reinforcement. And now, the step nobody is talking about, but neuroscientists say is essential. Our brains evolved in tribes were hardwired for connections and real connections, not just digital kind. Studies show that the deep, meaningful face-to-face interaction activates the neural pathways that directly counteract the digital brain growth. In fact, just 1 hour of genius phone-free conversation can increase the focus duration by 37%, improving emotional regulation by 47%, and boost the creative problem solving by 30%. And this is why I just created the WhatsApp community, a global network of people committed to reverse the digital brain growth together. Because the truth is, the willpower alone isn't enough. We need each other. Those who are interested, just follow the WhatsApp and share your thoughts regarding this. So ask yourself, what kind of mind do you want to have? The link is in the description. One that's fragmented, distracted, and controlled by the algorithms, or one that focused, present, and truly your own. The choice is yours, but you have to make it consciously, because if you don't, someone else make it for you. If you are ready to take back the control of your mind, click the link in the description and join our WhatsApp channel to help each other and grow each other for a better world. Because your mind isn't just to another app to be optimized, it's the foundation of everything you are and everything you will become. Don't watch and live. Take action. Your future self will thank you. Like and share and subscribe if you're interested in this like contents. As you are also focusing to ignore the contents like this like topic, how a digital social me can improve their life in this tech era. So that's all. Thank you. See you next video.